Hey traders, Lance Ippolito here, and I want to go over the dip in tech. Should you buy this tech dip here? So the one thing that caught my attention was Apple. Apple broke the 100-day moving average, approaching the 200-day moving average here, and I have to question, because Apple is a leader, right? Apple's that big dog, kind of the king of tech. Is there a lack of innovation that is not making investors thrilled to get into Apple again? There was some news coming out where Apple, the iPhone sales weren't as hot, and you have to think, they stopped the PCs. Well, what's the next product in Apple, right? Where's the next big thing? And personally, I don't see it. But if you look at the other end of it, how many other people are saying, well, we don't see innovation in Apple, we're going to sell it, and just 2 or 3 months from now, Apple comes out with a new product and the stock rips and makes new all-time highs. So that's something to consider. The next thing is semiconductors, specifically 3 of them: Micron, Seagate, and Western Digital. These names are so bullish. There's so much bullish demand for these as we get into not only a lack of semiconductors, but self-driving cars, the DRAM. I mean, there's so much need for semiconductors that I really love these names, and big institutional flow all the way going out till October, which is rare because in the options market, we've been seeing nothing but short dated options. So big funds, they're actually committing to these 3 semiconductors, which is really bullish to see long term. Also growth stocks, and I know everyone wants to talk about them because, to be quite honest, everyone's getting their butt kicked on growth stocks lately. Is that 10-year rallies? I just don't see why try to bottom fish in them. Or why guess, right? Like, for example, if you said, Lance, where does Lucid Motors go? I have no idea. I mean, I just think of it this way. A lot of these private investors got in, so cheap that they're selling to you at these, crazy premiums. So why would you even want to take a stab at it? And some of these companies might not even have a product or be profitable for another 2 to 4 years. Like, to me, that's just crazy. I don't want any part of that. So I'm avoiding growth stocks. I'm sticking, look at old tech even. Names like Oracle. I mean, what a bullish chart that is. I mean, it's just, there's so many hot stocks and hot sectors in the market. If you look at the S&P, you got XME, you got XLB, you got the Dow making new highs, you got the S&P. If you're scared or you don't know what to do with your portfolio, just think outside the box. Move into names that maybe you crushed it off the pandemic lows in March. Rotate. That's what professional investors do. They rotate into different sectors, into different stocks, and that is actually what makes a healthy bull market, is a rotation under the hood of the market, because you can't have crazy PE, Lucid Motors and Palantir and Tesla go up every day. It's just not healthy, right? That's very bubbly, and we saw that with SPACs coming down. So like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what stocks you're looking at right now.